Hi, Scott Dolan here at MarineMax of Dallas. And we're standing here inside a brand new 2019 Sea Ray SLX 250. So 250 SLX has a full width swim platform. There is an electric swim platform underneath your main one. You just can't see it when you're sitting on top of the boat like this, but walk-through transom gets you in and out of the boat very easily without having to step on the seats. This one was ordered with a power tower, so this tower raises and lowers at the push of a button. The nice thing about the way this one does it is it articulates here and also here, making your tower or your boonie top stay parallel the whole way down, so there's no reason to have to take the tower or the canvas off just to put the tower down, which is really, really nice. Built-in coolers, there's actually several on board the boat. Really nice in-floor ski locker. This boat does have a big block V8 in it. It is a digital throttle. Twin 12-inch SIMRAD screens that are really nice. They'll give you downscan sonar for fish finding, chart plotting. It's a really, really forward-looking nav. Just a really nice setup. Flip-up bolsters on both of your seats. Vacuum flush head, which is nice. That way you just use your foot to raise the pedal, fill the basin with water, use the bathroom, step on it, sucks it down into a holding tank. So no mess, no fuss. Nice wraparound seating up in the bow, as well as a powered windlass. So this boat also has the upgraded stereo system in it with a subwoofer and an amp. So really well appointed boat. It's got all the right options on board anybody would really want in a 25-footer. So if you got any questions about this or any of the other ones we have in stock, please pick up the phone and give us a call, or better yet, stop in the showroom and see us. We look forward to talking to you soon.